mga barangay president, no other than Leoncio Django Saldivar Jr. Thank you. For the national anthem, I will request Esting Caranto to play. Mr. Esting Caranto, ready? May we rise once more, please? Ladies and gentlemen, there is no other person most fitting to welcome us. Of course, you have heard him before. Maybe all of you or most of you have interacted with him, but nonetheless, ladies and gentlemen, we have to give the Mayor, Leoncio Saldivar, to welcome us in his person. Mayor, sir.
Thank you very much to our very deserving and very able MC for this evening, Don Trawajo Apitona, my Executive Assistant, Bato Festival, San Nicolas Town Fiesta 2010. With so much gladness and electric feeling, I must pronounce to one and all that the first ever Bato Festival Grand Parade will extend all possible support and assistance in promoting our festival. You can be our indispensable partner in this endeavor, and I am most certain that with such partnership, with all the resources of the local government unit at ready hand, we cannot fail. It is never too late to dream big with these natural resources. The horizon looms clear as crystal. All we need to do now is to push and push hard. To the members of the EXICOM who labored every Wednesday for months, I thank you for such dedication and support. To all our balikbayans, I thank you once again for your unending love and manifestation of patriotism to your land of birth. Your presence once more negated the claims of some that the lure of milk and honey makes one forget the native land. Thank you and happy first Bato Festival, and let us all exclaim, Turas San Nicolas, Turas. Good evening.
Thank you, Sir Mayor. Minamahal na kababayan galing sa California. Siya po ang presidente ng Asosasyon ng mga San Nicolanians sa Southern California, at dapat lang natin palakpakan muli at ating ipagunyi ang kanyang pagdating dito. Palakpakan ulit mga kababayan! Mukhang mahina.
Our very able mayor and his beautiful wife, Nikki, Honorable Mrs. Leoncio Saldivar III, our equally active chairman of Tonight Balikbayan, my cousin Mrs. Evelyn Saldivar Manangan, ABC President Honorable Leoncio Saldivar Jr., Mayor Lito Peralta of Balonggao, our hard-working members of the Municipal Council and Municipal Government, fellow balikbayan, townmates and friends, a pleasant evening to everyone. It gives me a great pleasure and honor to stand before you tonight as I represent your townmates from abroad in greeting you a happy fiesta. This is indeed a fitting celebration that will give me the chance to bring before you their warm regards as we mark yet another milestone in our lives as San Nicolanian. I feel blessed that our municipal officials, headed by no less than our good mayor, continue to involve us in this yearly celebration. My wife Jessie and I are more than grateful for this gesture of love. Thank you for making us feel that we still belong, even as we have to work overseas for months and years, so that we have something to share and become a blessing whenever we come home. You have thoughts of conceptualizing this joyous occasion as the first Patpato Festival. What a unique and relevant way to bring us closer to nature and with one another. My friends, honoring us with a very festive night like this have strengthened as Patpato, the bond that keeps us one and affirms our partnership in making this town more progressive and united. I find the word Patpato very symbolic. Whatever we have, we want to share it. Whatever we do to help you, please allow us to serve you in the best meaningful way we can. We want you to feel that we cannot exist without you. It is in the spirit, my beloved townmates, that we are home. We come home not only to see our immediate families, relatives and friends, or to celebrate with you. We are here, more importantly, to see how we can continue to be in partnership with you in all your undertakings for a better and more progressive San Nicolas. We want progress not only in the tangible projects or infrastructures, but also progress in meeting the basic needs of the people. This town is our home. We also dream big for this town. Again, in behalf of my family, the San Nicolanians of Southern California, the different associations worldwide, your relatives and friends abroad, and my fellow balikbayans who are here with me tonight. Kakabsat, naibag ka naragsak kapag nagpista tayo amin. Thank you very much, and may God continue to bless us all. May God continue to bless our beloved San Nicolas. Thank you very much.
All balikbayans, when I say all balikbayans, all those who have returned this year or perhaps late last year, please join the march. You don't have to be from the US, Canada, Europe, or whatever. As long as you came from overseas, Hong Kong, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Malaysia, Brunei, you are a balikbayan, so you should join. Please do so. Yes, join and be one. Please join Mr. Tony Roba. Well, the President, yes, it was number one. Larry Tibay from Venice, California, Virginia. Jemima Gonzalez from Virginia Beach, Wisconsin. Mr. Tito Corposa, Jose Weber from UK, Canada. Madam Estella Uy, Mr. Ricardo Mamarin from Delhi, New Jersey. From Bella Rosal, California, Antonio Rosal, California. Bella Soriano Lippmann of Hamburg, Germany. And some of the rest, sorry, I can't read. Your brothers, Dr. Barry, Vicky, Brighton, Germany, Joanna Jose, California. I can't read the name. John from San. Meron pa tayong balikbayan na hindi sumayaw? Kung wala kayong partner, kung lang kayo kahit sino na. Ako pwede. Okay lang mag na partner o kaya tiyo. Joselito Peralta, sir, for the fiesta message.
The first and foremost, good morning po sa lahat. Good morning po. Well, pasensya na po, wala pong boses. But to all balikbayans, welcome po sa Town Fiesta po. Same with our energetic and young mayor of the town of San Nicolas, Yonsho Jangkit Saldivar III, ating mga mayor, kumbaga, and his loving wife, Vicky, the municipal officials who are here with us, Councilor Reynaldo Titimas, and the ABC President of John Paul Saldivar Jr., to the California President of San Nicolan Association, Mr. Reynaldo Rodrigo, and the Master MC, the Master Showman, Ruadjo Abintuna, yung yung pangalan mo, pare ko. To the balikbayans, senior citizen, friends, Miss Evelyn Saldivar Manangan, ma'am, the chairman balikbayan of this occasion, and friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Well, it's an honor to be with you tonight in celebrating your affair, and I'm glad that I'm one of your distinguished guests. Pasensya kayo na po, no kasditi boses ko, but just like the Master Showman say that I'm on my third term. Well, that's right up po. And I'm willing to, I want also to serve the town of San Nicolas. And I hope I can be with you next year again. Thank you and good evening. Sensya na po.
Every year, as we celebrate our fiesta, we give recognitions to all